Fix Mail app not syncing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you use the default Mail app that Microsoft provides to you, and if it is not syncing, first of all, you have to make sure to add the account properly. So open the Mail app and go to Add Account, and it will give you a couple of options that are added to your computer or your other browsers. And you simply have to select those accounts to first of all log into it. So let me select a certain account over here, right? It says connecting to a service. You have to make sure to enter your email, and then after that you want to make sure to go ahead and then enter your password right here. And once you enter your email and password, if it asks you for a verification, just make sure to go ahead and then do that as well. So I will go ahead and then verify this two-step verification from my phone. And once I have done this, it should be able to sync all of the emails that I have right within this mail app. Now, if it is not working, you might actually try to basically use and remove the account and then re-add the account to the mail app again to see if that actually helps you. If not, then you can basically try to search for the mail app, right click, and then make sure to first of all uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, you can choose to later reinstall it from your Microsoft Store. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.